Hi everybody and welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'm going to be making spag bol, for those who don't know the slang word for spaghetti bolognese. Very quick, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love you to do so. Click on the bell icon, get the latest updates, all the recipes, and if you really like my recipes, give me a great thumbs up, share and like with your family and friends, and I really want to hear some of your comments and feedback. I'd love to hear that. Okay, so spaghetti bolognese. I've got some tomatoes, garlic, onions, some mixed herbs. I've got some salt and pepper, and I've got some sun-dried tomatoes. Mushrooms, on the other hand, are optional. My kids love mushrooms, and they really told me that, Dad, if you're going to make spag bol, put mushrooms in it, please. So I'm going to make spaghetti bolognese. I've got half a kilo of mince that I'm going to cook off first, and then I'll introduce everything else, and you can watch me and follow me as well. Okay, so let's move over to the hob, and I'll see you in a couple of minutes. So welcome back. I'm going to put the onions and the garlic and sweat them off. I'll put them on a low to medium heat. Might need to turn it down a bit more. And then literally just sweat them off. I've got 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil in there, and I'm going to put one more. Now when they're translucent or nearly see-through like, that means they're ready, and we can introduce the lamb and all the other elements as well. But before I do that, I'm just going to pop my sun-dried tomatoes. And this allows the tomatoes to start releasing some of their fragrance and flavor as well. Now you could use lamb or you could use beef, it's entirely up to you. In this case I'm using lamb. Pop my lamb into pan. And start cooking it off. Mushrooms shouldn't need more than another 3-4 minutes, and then I'll pour in the tomatoes and then let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes. Now your bolognese sauce could look anything like what you feel like, so if you want to introduce mushrooms you can. I'm sure some of you may feel mushrooms are not required. And I cook for comfort food and for my kids, so if they want mushrooms, I'll put in mushrooms just to make sure that they'll eat what's given to them. Okay, mushrooms look cooked. I'm going to pour in the tinned tomatoes. Just going to give it a quick mix, and I'm going to just pour in here about half a cup of water. And then I'm going to let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes, and I'll come back and show you what my spag bolognese looks like. Okay, so welcome back. My tomato bolognese sauce is ready, and it's been simmering for about 15-20 minutes. I've just turned it off You can actually see where the olive oil has now started to come up to the top, and it tastes really nice. I'm going to have another taste actually. Shouldn't really. A bit hot, but yes, definitely worth the 20 minutes it took to make. So next, boil some pasta and ready to serve. I'll see you back in about 10 minutes.